Hey Callie, going up the mountain in just a second and going up into there. So going to set up this camera, got the battery pack, got everything charged. I'll take a couple of photos of me setting it up. It gets a bit dark up in there, so I've got a torch to try out, an everyday carry torch. Keep an eye out because we've got a review of that coming up and we're going to be giving it away, so do keep an eye out for that. Most of the reviews that we do, we end up giving them away. Let's set this thing up together. Rain's coming down, so yeah. Fingers crossed we capture this thing, whatever it is. Well, we capture evidence of this thing, whatever it is. I wanted to wait, but we've been keeping you guys waiting too long, really. We've been waiting too long. We want to really find out. Yeah, a bit of danger. Don't try this at home. Wish me luck. I've got a dog behind me, just in case. Really slippery, really uneasy. I mean, it doesn't really do it any justice on camera, but it's a fair old steep climb. I mean, if I put the camera here at water level, you're still gonna go all the way up there. Slippery rocks like that. I mean, if I put my foot on there, wow, slippery. Don't tread on that, dog, go round, okay? Careful. It's super slippery coming up here, so got to be careful and keep going up. Tara's doing her art today, so we wanted to come up here together, but if one of us gets hurt, that's fine, because we've always got another for a backup. I got this fancy torch. A little bit about this torch. So when we got contacted, we asked if we would like something to suit her every day, and we thought, yeah, why not? We'll try it out. Wow, pretty damn good. Ooh, and especially if you're exploring in the daytime. I mean, it is daytime, but it's very dark in here. We walked down this before. It's good. 1050 lumens, and, you know, it's daytime and this thing's still lighting up. That's where me and Tara came before. We were hearing a noise in there, but I still got to go up through this. Ooh, oh shit. That's why you shouldn't really come on your own. Oh, look, see, it's just sinking everywhere. You've got to be super careful with this stuff. Walking up through here. So we used to cross before, which is down there. I'm going to cross up here. It's because it seems the safest option. Whoa. Now the straight line video that we done, we come up the side there to where the springs are, and there's a lot of surface water at the moment. A bit dubious about this because that ground was so soft back there that, you know, you fall in that, there's a big old puddle to have to get wet over. You see that there? It's definite damage. And Tara and I walked along that line there. I've got to go up here. It's quite a crucial point. I mean, I have got the dog. I've got my knife, just in case. I marked a tree up here, so I'm looking for that tree at the moment. This is the tree here that I marked. I know the trees don't move. Some of these branches up here have already been snapped and bent down a long time ago. That's what we're a bit dubious about. And like, stuff like that's been broken, snapped down. Just on here, that's very old, that one, you know, and they all seem to be around this area. Now that cave thing is just up through there, so, well, it's not just up through there, it's a bloody vertical climb in a minute. What I might do is turn the camera off, do the climb, and catch up with you then. So yeah, that's the climb, and it goes all the way up through there. He's already sniffing around, so I don't really want to be in this area any longer than I need to be. And I don't want to do that because there'll be like something fucking walking behind me and I'll freak out later on, you know. Stories of cats and this and that. Just a little bit dubious anyway, let's crack on with it. So dark. I've got to get up through there, dog's on a vertical climb as well. Ooh, all the way down there, so yeah, keep going. It's bloody horrible. And then just up there's the rock face, so then it's about finding it, setting the cam up and bugging off out. Yeah, there's definitely more crap down there. So that's set up on here, just here, and then I've got battery pack that's protected. Plug that in, and then get away. Right, so battery pack's there, camera set up there. It is watching it. There's fresh new scat there. So got to be careful with things like this, guys. Just lost my foot. Get out, keep the peace, and don't piss off any animals. Yeah, I'm still up here, but I think it's ever more important just to keep your wits about you. Don't go prodding about with what you might not know. Don't try it at home. But I've made sure I'm safe. I've had the dog with me, and he's just sitting and waiting like a good boy, aren't you? Yeah, he's sitting and waiting, watching around, sniffing around. He is a good dog. He's a very good dog, aren't you, mate? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Protect each other, don't we? Yeah, protect each other. Are we going to go back down then? Yeah. He likes to think he can show me the best way down, and sometimes he is good. Whoop. He is good like that. He always thinks he knows the way, and even he's slipping. So yeah, now he's going on It's trying to pick up our scent. It's trying to pick up our scent of where we came through, and it's just over that way. But he's taking us this way because he remembers the tree I marked. Funny bugger like that. Not hearing anything this time. Mind you, the water's quite loud, so to speak. And the water can actually help to dampen sound. It can actually help to dampen sound at the best times. You know, a bit like old Vasily Zaitsev in Enemy at the Gates, when he was using the exploding bombs and stuff. And he was using the exploding bombs to basically mask his gunshots when he was taking out the German officers. So yeah, it's just another little bit of a skill if you want to get in and out quietly or undetected somewhat. I shouldn't really have to mark trees, should I? The dog pees on them all. Because he's a dog and not a bitch, he, like all males, just like to scent everywhere, don't we? We're quite disgusting creatures at the end of the day. We, men especially, right? We pee on everything, we stink on everything, you know. Oh. Yay, there's me arse slip. Awesome. Tell you what though, if I was holding my pint, I wouldn't have spilt a drop. It is bloody difficult because I gotta walk down all this stuff. Oh, just realised that Just realised that little slip way back there actually knocked the wind out of me a bit. And you know, I've got Tara close by, so if I need help, I know she's doing her up, but if I need it, she'll be there for me, you know. Yeah, I don't suggest going at this alone. Not for exploring new weird things. It's it can get a bit scary, but thing is as well with the dog, if something happens to me, I can actually send him to Tara. He'll know to go home. Ooh. He'll know to go home and collect her, and then he'll bring her to me, which is great for a nomadic survival situation, or any type of situation really. Once you've got a dog that knows the area, just like dog does, and he walks these mountains daily, so you know, it's amazing. You know, if he can retrace his steps, he can get back to one or the other of us. If the other one's in danger or, you know, unresponsive, that's what he does. He's absolutely brilliant like that. So yeah, always best to have a companion, be that of the canine kind, or the amazing wife kind, or husband, whoever you got. See, he thinks he's already going home, he's walking that way. But we're not going home yet, we've got some bits to do. He's just scenting around. Anyway, I've got a cooey to Tara because I've got no credit on my phone at the moment. And hopefully she'll give me a phone call and knows that I'm okay. So